Ladies and gentlemen, visitors, fellow citizens, as we begin the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, I want to emphasize the importance of preparedness and resilience. This year's theme, Plan Ahead, Stay Ahead, 2025 Hurricane Ready, encourages proactive steps to protect our lives, families, and property. Hurricanes are powerful and unpredictable force of nature that can cause significant damage and disruption. To minimize the impact, we must be prepared now more than ever. Key preparedness measures include: have a plan, know evacuation routes, identify safe shelters, and ensure family members understand emergency procedures. Assemble emergency supplies, stock essentials such as water,